So this video is how to add and manage your team members and user permission in Zapify.io. So first step is we need to go to settings, then navigate the here my staff. Click the my staff. So after that, click the add user. Now you can fill in their name, email, and role. So their first name, their last name, their email, phone, or extension. You can also here it is menu. There's a rules and permissions. You can put the user role here if he's the admin or the user. So just restrict data visibility to only assigned data and so on. So you can save it here. After that, after you can save here, you can save the profile. Um, team members, for example, if I assign you here, then you can receive an email invitation to join the sub account, which is this ovarian partners. So that's how you can add or manage the team members and user permissions in Zapify.io. And that's all.